guys, so today we're gonna be delivering food to my customers. Wait guys, I'll just get my food. Okay, Mom, do not do that. So, guys, the customer's this guy, and he's like 5 billion feet away from here. So let's go bring him there.
Sorry, Mr. Chair. Iba po yung tanong ko. Meron po ba kayo natatanggap ngayon?
Aside from the endorsement of
Guys, I'm back. So today, customers asking for one burger. Okay, nice. And one banana shake and one corn soup. That should be easy. Okay guys, I'll use my secret recipe. Okay, first we're going to do mango shake.
Mr. A. or de la Serna, is it because nakita po na isang signed document, so would enter into agreements willing to be an incorporator by name?
I forgot, we're out of cups.
Siguro po yun po,
It should
siguro
be
yung
blue. We're out of
iniisip
cups.
ko, Mr. Chair, kasi nahihirapan ako na maniwala na pinipirmahan ni Mr. A. or de la Serna itong mga dokumento na ito na walang kinukonsulta. Dahil mahalaga po itong mga dokumento na ito. So, Sir Mr. Chair, ang mahalagang tanong po nitong ating komite ay sino po yung talagang rinire-representa ni Mr. A. or de la Serna? Kaninong interest po?
Okay guys, our first meal, a burger. They asked for a yum burger, so we made the yum burger. Okay, so put that inside. Our dino truck.
Particular na mga transactions, kaya po
And he added an order. What's it? Oh, it's a watermelon.
Posibleng yun po yung
It's Oreo.
posisyon ni Mr. A. or de la Serna. So, I don't want to use the term pero meron kasing gumagamit ng mga dummy or proxies na para humarap po sa mga transaction. Dito po sa mga corporation
Let's go put the watermelon here. Make sure that tell them that they should
po itong personalidad na ito. Mr. Chair, I will continue to
go add some
Mr. A. or de la
organic
Serna on
fruits.
what that other corporation is that he is a stakeholder
that.
Kaya Mr.
Let's
A.
go
or de la
add
Serna,
banana
babalikan
just
ka
in
namin
case you
before the
finish
end
it
of
and
this
then
hearing.
if he
Check
has
your
a shake.
emails, check your text messages.
Okay guys,
We need to know
let's
what
go.
the other corporation,
Let's go guys. We are gonna go order.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much for the opportunity to propound questions to our resource persons.
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, wait guys, I am gonna deliver the food. I'm gonna be right, but before we deliver the food, here's the truck and here's the food. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Wait. Guys, we've arrived. Okay, enjoy.